Hello, all. Myself Rakesh Kumar. I'm going to explain about dashboard we created. We created two dashboard for rainfall, deforestation, and second is for COVID-19. My teammates is myself Rakesh Kumar, Pooja Kumbarkar, and Banam Sandeep. And we gathered the data of rainfall deforestation from uh, uh, Global Forest Watch, and the rainfall data is from data.gov.in. This is the dashboard we created. This is quite interactive. Let's move into the dashboard part. So, this is our data. This is our dashboard. This is in Power BI. This is first is showing the annual rainfall annual rainfall for a state, and this is showing the annual rainfall for a state by year, and second is deforestation state wise, and first is showing the average deforestation between the 2001 to 2018, and second is the average deforestation between the 2011 to 2018. And this is the showing the deforestation average loss between the 2001 to 2010. This is an animated bar graph, and this is the Indian states. And when we select any one of these, then it is showing the only the data of selected state. Suppose I selected as Assam, then it is showing the only the state of Assam, and the rainfall of the Assam. And similarly here the deforestation and the deforestation average loss also. And this is the tree cover loss, and the region behind the tree cover loss. There is several region, commodity driven forest deforestation, which is shown here, and forestry, and shifting agriculture. And the last one is there's an Indian map, which is showing with the state, and there's a big bubble which is showing showing the deforestation is high here in 2018. And this is also quite interactive. If I select any one of a state, then uh, it is showing the only the data of that state. This is here. If I select the Madhya Pradesh, then it is showing the deforestation loss in the 2001 or 2001 to 2010 of MP. And this is there is also showing the only MP in deforestation, and the annual rainfall for a state. And this is our dashboard for deforestation rainfall. Thank you.
Hi sir, this is Pooja Kumbharkar. So today I will be explaining you the COVID-19 dashboard which we have created. The data which we have collected is from the Worldometer website and Kaggle. So this is our dashboard. This is created using Folium. It represents the total number of cases, then deaths, recoveries, and active cases. The second is a graph which we have plotted for the number of days versus the total number of cases in India. As the number of days exceeded, the total number of cases increased, as well as the death rate is not changed that much, but the active cases and recovery cases are increasing in India. This is a graph which shows the top 20 countries with highest number of total COVID cases. So it can be seen that US is having the highest number of cases, followed by India, Brazil, Russia, and UK. So this is the graph which we have plotted for the total number of European countries, total number of cases in European countries. It can also be observed that the total number of cases increased as the number of days exceeded. And this, as I already explained, for India, like the confirmed cases increased, and as well as like the active cases are also increasing, but the death rate is not impacted. So this is the Folium chart which we have plotted. It can be seen for various countries, like here some countries. So here the total cases are 2510, the total deaths, recoveries, active cases. humidity, and wind speed.
Hello, sir. I am Sandeep, and this is the COVID-19 dashboard, and this is humidity versus country, and this is relative humidity ranging from 0 to 100, and this is for the top 15 countries. This is for the top 15 countries, and we can see from here the humidity versus the total number of cases. And yes, next. This is the waffle chart, and this is for the top 15 countries, and this is for USA, India, Brazil, Russia, and all of these are the top 15 countries. Next dashboard. This is versus the wind speed versus the country, and if we just hovering over it, we can see that this is the units of these are in miles per hour, and you can see that India has some less number, and India has just 6 miles per hour, so it has some less number of cases, while USA has the wind speed of 12 miles per hour, and it has some more number of cases. And clearly from this dashboard, we can say that wind speed affects the total number of cases, confirmed cases directly. And next we will go from humidity, we will go to humidity versus country. And this is in relative humidity, and yes, humidity for all these upper has some higher humidity, and it will directly affecting the total number of cases. Just we can see here from hovering over it, the total number of cases are gradually increasing for all of this. And if we go to Russia, the humidity is slightly less, and the total number of cases slightly is less when compared to their population ratio, that is the density of population. We will move to temperature versus country. And yes, if you just hovering over it, the USA has average temperature is very less, 8.55, and the total number of cases is more. And next to India, the average temperature is more, and the total number of cases is also more. Here the temperature has an inverse effect with respect to coronavirus. Just because of these two, it is based on so much of population. The population of India is very much more when compared to USA. Yes, that's it. We'll move to presentation. Yes, our group mates are Pooja, Sandeep, and myself, Sandeep, and Rakesh Kumar. And the contributions of each of the group members is Pooja is done data collection and creation of COVID-19 dashboard using Python, and the data collection and creation dashboard using COVID-19 myself, and the creation of dashboard for rainfall and deforestation. We have created the dashboard using Voila, and we have created all those foliums and scatter plots, line plots. Yes, next. Yes, I think we have created an interactive dashboard using humidity, temperature, and wind speed for each of these, and that's it. Thank you, sir.